Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 19th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics. This is a wide look at the tropics. As you can see here, we have Westward Gordon kind of shredding apart. Moving off to the northeast, got another little system here the Hurricane Center is watching. Also, we're going to be watching something in the Gulf, the northwestern Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico that could spin up. And there's a few other tropical waves that is not very impressive at this time across the MDR region. There's that upper level low that was over the south. These are the lows of the northeastern United States, which continue to push on off toward Newfoundland and also St. John's Island as well. Elsewhere, pretty quiet. We've got more activity over in the Eastern Pacific, which more storms looks to form in that region as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Hey, get it out. Alright. Alright, you can see here, this is the 2 p.m. advisory. Here's that system here over the next 2 days, 10%. There's that other system, has a 30%, which was Gordon. This system here, the remnants of Gordon, is only down to 30%. This is down to 20%, and the other one is 0 and 40. This is where the area would be right here in the next 7 days. 40% right now has 0% in the next 2 days. This was a 2 p.m. advisory, but expect more increases in percentages as we continue to roll forward. Alright, here's a look at the current watch award advisory map. You can see we've got a lot of coastal flood advisory from Maine down into New Jersey, Delaware, DC, Eastern Virginia, even southeastern North Carolina, South Carolina, even northeastern Florida, southern Florida as well. Air quality alerts over a portion of Tennessee, also in the portion of Indiana. Also, we have some severe thunderstorm watches in effect for a portion of Oklahoma, also in Kansas, also Missouri, also again in Iowa, and also in the portion of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Also a tornado watch also with some ongoing tornado warnings in northeastern and eastern Minnesota, and also a tornado watch for northern Wisconsin as well. I also have a few pockets of severe thunderstorm warnings also in the severe thunderstorm watch area. Alright, as you can see, we got frost advisories down here in portions of Colorado. Red flag special statements there. Wind advisories over North Dakota, Montana. Freeze warnings over portion of northern Iowa. We have some winter weather advisory for the mountains of California. Some more flood watches down in areas of Southern California. And there's those gale warnings, storm warnings in effect. Small craft advisories from Maine all the way down to Virginia. A little bit in the Outer Banks. Then again from over here from California up to Washington State. We have a winter storm watch for a little area up here in portion of Alaska. Some south side, got some small craft advisory. South side Hawaiian Chain Island as well. Alright, let's move on to your forecast. This is your forecast for Friday. As you can see, we got some shower activity up here in portion of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New Jersey, Rhode Island, also the coastal waters. Have a pocket of thunderstorms over showers over here in portion of Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, also maybe upstate South Carolina, then the coastal areas, the coastal water, northwest Bahamas, Florida Keys, Gulf of Mexico, South Texas, northwestern Texas, Mexico through Colorado, all the way to Wisconsin, also into Michigan, all the way to portion of southern Canada, also a little bit over here in portion of Nevada, Utah, Arizona, California. Shower activity across South Canada, northern portion of Montana, and a little bit in Washington State as well. Alrighty, elsewhere, dry high pressure in charge and should remain the dominant feature over the next over this forecast period. Can't get it out there, folks, but we got it. Alright, let's take a look at your Saturday forecast. We got some shower activity from New Hampshire down to Rhode Island, also the coastal waters. More from DC to Delaware to Pennsylvania to Ohio. Back to Utah up toward Minnesota, also across the Great Lakes, southern Canada, a little activity over across the coastal areas of Washington State. We have some mixed precipitation in portion of Wyoming and Colorado region as well. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of the remainder of the forecast area. Alright, and that was for your Saturday. Alright, as you can see, we got some heavy precipitation down in the Gulf of Mexico. That's that system here that we're watching that could affect the Gulf Coast coming up later next week, so we'll watch that. Also portions of Cuba and the Bahamas, also in the Atlantic coastal waters, and more heavy precipitation from North Texas up to Colorado, also in the portion of the Great Lakes, portions of Canada, also in southwestern Canada. Elsewhere, lighter amounts of precipitation expected. Alright, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next videos. Have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care.